So starting with those flourishes again, I'm going to use the same sheet, but I'm adding different flourishes. So where before the flourishes sort of interacted a little bit, I'm going to separate them out and use different types of flourishes to fill the spaces. Now, you'll probably notice, if you can see that, there's a little dot here. So I put a little pencil dot to tell me flourish, 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 no flourish, flourish, and flourish. So let's get started. So I'm just going to go up to the top corner and get the ink flowing. So I'm skipping a line here because I'm going up and under and back and out. And then the last line is going to be a fairly simple line. So you can see that they pull your eye out because there's a lot of space here. So that counterbalances it a little bit more. Of course, there's more that you can add to this. You can always add to it, but in some cases, you just have to be conscious that less is actually more. So let's zoom in on those to see what they look like. So there you have this really beautiful sweeping internal spiral. You have this wave stroke into an internal spiral, and you have two flattened, or as I call them, linear curvy wave strokes. And then we have a line of universal beauty loop in reverse back onto itself, and then a line finishing with a loop